where students and faculty imagine, inspire, and innovate. Our first stop on the tour is this screen that showcases our student work. So as it rolls through, you'll see a few different projects we work on, but we're going to show you a few more this way. I'll take you over here to our friendly secretary. So if you're able to come to campus and meet us in person, we can lead you to our sign-in sheet here at the desk, or you can schedule your own tour online through our website, ttuicube.com. And our friendly secretary will be happy to assist you as we go into our first stop on the tour. This is the Oculus Rift Station, and he's playing our game that we created for the Tennessee Aquarium in Chattanooga. We have over 7 projects with the Tennessee Aquarium, and in this game, you can watch the effect of pollution directly on the fish within this stream. So this project that we did has led to a lot of press, and we've been featured in the Chattanooga Press and the Aquarium and Zoos Connect magazine. So now we're going to take you into our iCube.
Hi, if you'll come on this way, I'll show you the cave. So this is our cave system, and as you can see, we can bring people in here and give them an immersive experience, and many people can see it at once. There are 4 infrared cameras that are watching the visitor at all times, so that wherever he moves, the computer very quickly redraws the environment so that the 3D always looks like a hologram, either built up or built down, and it gives you a sense of depth and perspective so that you can actually go inside some of the simulations and move within them. The glasses that he is wearing have 3D printed reflective constellation balls on them, so that wherever he goes, the system can see him with the 4 cameras. We have several simulations that we have programmed for this to show off the capability. It's great, as you can see, for the nursing program, the engineering program, and business, and every other program on campus, really.
So now you've seen the Imagine part of our space, and I'm going to take you on over to the Inspire side. This is where everything happens, our virtual reality, our marketing campaigns, and to start that off, I'm going to introduce you to Stephanie, the lead artist here at iCube.
Hello, I'm Stephanie. So this is the part where I start to explain how there's 2 different programs used in everything that you just saw out there. So the first program, which we refer to as the art program, is called Maya. So everything's built from the ground up in Maya. And so once we get everything finished in Maya, we export it out into a program called Unity. So Unity is a game engine, and that's where you add all your functionality. So the 2 different people that use these programs are the artists and the computer programmers. So this board represents the art side of everything that we do. So everything that we do that is artistic. And on the other side, we actually have everything that the programmers do. So you'll see a lot of repetition between the 2 because we're working on any project at the same time.
Hi, my name is Megan. Here at the iCube we manage a lot of grant-funded projects, one of them being the Governor's Highway Safety Office. For the Governor's Highway Safety Office, we manage their website, all of their products and resources, and we manage the training courses for law enforcement for the entire state. We also manage Reduce Teen Crashes, which is the teen program within the Governor's Highway Safety Office. Mac is also one of the key people that work on the Governor's Highway Safety Office grant.
Hey, how's it going? I'm Mac. I work on a lot of programming projects here as well, a lot of which are websites that we do, one of which goes hand in hand with virtual reality simulation we have for LIFT, which is the Lightweight Innovation for Tomorrow. It's called Maker-Minded, and its intent is to expose junior high level children to STEM activities, engineering activities, and other programs that will come into your school, and once you collaborate with these organizations, we'll give you points, and you can compete against other schools to see who can get the most points. So our system keeps track of those points and the competition itself.
And now I'm going to take you to the iMaker space where all the innovation happens.
Welcome to the iMaker space. This is a place for students to come and build their ideas. This is Rob. He's actually working on a project that we're calling the InMove project, which is a fully 3D printed humanoid robot. Rob, you want to talk about your project a little bit?
Sure. So as he said, my name is Rob Conner. I am the lead of the humanoid robot project here at Tennessee Tech. The project involves constructing a 3D printed humanoid robot based off of the open source InMove design that was originally developed in France by a French sculptor who was designing this for educational purposes and to allow students to learn about 3D printing, electronics, and of course robotics. The purpose of this project is to teach people about those subjects as well as to prepare a greeter for the space. He will be sitting out the doorway that you'll come in and will be able to actually reach out and shake your hand autonomously and greet you and introduce you to this area.
So this space has got lots of equipment for students to use, like 3D printers. We've got a workshop here. You can come back here and see that we've got a CNC mill in the back. We've got a lathe, drill press. We've got numerous saws and plastic injection molding, and our 3D printers. We've got lots of 3D printers up here. So like Rob said, this is all 3D printed. There's several projects that are going on involving 3D printing. One that I'm working on is a 3D printed violin that'll hopefully be ready in a couple of weeks. It'll actually be able to be playable. We've got lots of electronics equipment where students can actually come here and work with Arduinos, Raspberry Pis, work with robots. And so we've got a couple of groups that are working with some autonomous robots. One will be a tour guide for the space. He'll actually be able to take you around and show you some of the areas. Another group is working on a fully 3D printed R2D2, full 2 scale. We're working with all kinds of things like solar panels, our various equipment here. And so students have the ability to come up here and use all of this equipment without having any knowledge. We'll teach them everything about that and how to use it.
Thanks for visiting us on this virtual tour of iCube, where students and faculty imagine, inspire, and innovate. We have a lot of projects and we'd love for you to come meet us in person. So if you want to go to t2icube.com and schedule a tour, we'd be happy to accommodate at any time. Until then, have a good day.